If you are behind on your mortgage payments, you may qualify for a permanent loan reduction.
The catch? Your loan has to be through Bank of America. 10 on your side's Katie Collette's here now. And Katie, why is the bank offering these reductions?
Tom and Nicole, do you remember when Bank of America and several other banks found themselves in hot water for basically signing off on mortgages that were more than many home buyers could actually afford? Well, this is part of the bank's settlement agreement with the government. Now, a word of caution, the bank alerts you by mail that you've qualified, so do not throw this letter away. In many neighborhoods, this is the norm, but for more than 200,000 Bank of America customers, some relief is headed their way. If you receive this letter from the bank, you could be eligible to reduce your monthly mortgage payments by an average of 35%.
I think it's a little too late. They should have stepped up and offered assistance when people started getting in trouble instead of waiting until they're, underwater and so far behind that, they can't do nothing else.
Robert Voorheen speaks from experience. His home now up for a short sale after a death in his family put him behind financially. He called the bank for help first, but
they refused to help me and said they cannot help me because I'm not behind on my mortgage. So I had to fall a month behind before they'd even talk to me.
Unfortunately for Voorheen, it's too late to qualify for the mortgage modification. Those eligible must have been at least 60 days behind on mortgage payments as of January 31st of this year, must owe more on the mortgage than the property is worth, must have a contractual monthly payment for principal, interest, or property taxes totaling more than 25% of your gross household income. And you have to have a loan through Bank of America or a loan the bank was authorized to modify.
I'm one of them. I'm a little behind, so anything that can help out right now, I'm with.
Fred McLean says he is certain he qualifies for the mortgage modification.
I'm just slowly getting back on, trying to get back on top, so anything they can do to help, I'm with it, so it's a good thing.
He says he doesn't want to ever lose his home.
If Bank of America, being one of the biggest banks, if they can reach out and help some of us people out here that, just a little bit behind or a lot behind, then it's a good thing.
Now, I must repeat, do not throw this letter away. Everything you need to apply is in the envelope this letter comes in, and the bank must hear from you by June 1st. Also, it's important to point out, do not try and fall behind 2 months on your mortgage to get a piece of this mortgage relief action, because you will not qualify. Katie Collette, 10 on your side.